Hello guys, let's do a quick diagnose on this machine. By the way, this is a Case skid steer SB250. So the main issue with this machine was the engine starts and running normally. However, the implement is not working and the machine will not move. So let's do a quick check before we dive onto it. So if you are working or operate a skid steer case, supposed to be, if you push the power button, you can see the parking brake light right away. But in this case, there's no parking brake light, so you know right away that there's an electrical problem. Our warning light is flashing and 9406 code appears. So if you search on the code or read on the manual, 9406 code is CAN communication lost, error between the instrument cluster and the UCM. So let's do quick check on the wires. You can easily identify the CAN bus wire because it's usually a twisted wire. So the wire goes to the top, goes here, and then there you can see there's a damaged wire over there. So before you go on the wire, just check the fuses first, and then I will show you. That is instrument cluster 10 amps fuse. If the fuse is good, that's the time you need a wiring diagram so you can easily find where the wire is. In this case, I already found where the broken wire is. Let's focus on the CAN bus wire, the twisted wire. The green wire was broken, so I will gonna reconnect that.
Alright guys, so I already connected it. I just add wire, so that's the green line, right? See, that's a green line. So I will not connect these two because I want to show you that this is only the problem, but I will connect that later on. Okay, I will gonna start the machine and operate it. Alright, before there's no parking brake light, right? So okay, this is the start button. See that line? As long as you see that, you're good. Okay, start.